So today we're going to try to code something that looks like Vambo AI. So it's not Vambo AI, but it's it's just a clone rather. I think Vambo AI. See, so we're just trying to create one of these features, or even two or three, just to see if our feature works and we can compare between what we get from here and a ChatGPT wrapper. So what we're going to be doing is it's called vibe coding. I think many of you know what vibe coding is. So maybe let's do this. So maybe to make it interesting, we could put a timer. Let me say maybe 30 minutes. Why can't I put 30 minutes? Okay, let's say 55 minutes, right? Because people, I think they built this for 3 years, so must be something complicated. But let's try under an hour to build this. So I'll just walk you through my process of how I build, of how I vibe code, not how I build my stuff. I'm still new to vibe coding, so we'll get some errors, and some of these things will work, some of them won't work, but I'm pretty sure it will make sense. So probably, I think what we need to figure out, what do we want? Maybe let's first try the translate feature. Translate, then what else? Then the write or the search, right? We'll give it all of these things exactly. I think that's fine. So maybe let's put a timer. We can start this timer. I think it will be up here. So you're saying 54 minutes. I think I'm giving myself too much pressure. Maybe maybe 1 hour, but let's try this. So what I normally do when I'm trying to vibe code, I first go to cloud, right, and say something like this. Let's try this. I want to build a translation web app for African languages. You input your target language, the text, and also select the, what do we call, the source language. Is it? You input your source language and then select the target language, right? I want to use the mean step. For now, I just want, what do I want? Maybe let's start with the backend. So write me a prompt that I can put in cursor to help me in cursor. Let's say agent to help me code this. What else do you want? Target language. Okay, let's see. I hope it doesn't say full service, full what. Okay, it's working. Help me back for the African language using technology stack. Do I even want caching, bro? Don't want caching. The sessions. Okay. So just copy this. Or maybe let's do this. In short, this is the feature. that we want. Let me just paste. Oh no, I don't want documents, man. Okay, documents translate. Nah, let me just take this part here. I think we just want the MVP, right? Okay, then I click on paste. It's already 4 minutes. So I select agent, then send here. So, okay, it's now running these commands. It's creating whatever it's creating. So it was, as you can see, it was an open, like a blank GitHub repository. Let's see. Okay, so it's now creating. Why do we need Mongo, by the way? I don't think we need Mongo. But anyways, let's see what it comes up with. So whatever is like created here. Oh, it's the language schema. All right. Okay. To start using, make sure the server will run on 3000. IDs, authentication. Add more features. Please let me know how you would want to. Oh. Okay, for translation, I would want to. I forgot this part, man. To use ChatGPT. Via on chain JS. Okay. Okay, maybe let's freestyle while it's working. Let me find a beat. All right. Let's find a beat. Let's find something. Too late. But I think we still have time. So let's find. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, call declined.
Embarrassing.
Call declined.
Let's do this. What did it say? See the database. Okay, open Postman, click import, then see the database. All right. Let's see. Hope it works. Usually this doesn't work. npm run seed. Oh, that is sick. Let's test the platform. Okay. All right. So the good thing about this, you can just copy this part here, right? Let me expand this. Okay, you can just do this and copy and just say, I am getting this error. Then you send. So it will try to fix everything for you. And while it's fixing, we can rap. Let me find a beat. Okay. Kane Carson type beat. Then Let's try this one. Yeah. Holy moly, motherfucking beat bitch. Every time I flex, every tenant to see. Look at my watch, look at my chains here. They call me 2 Chains. I be cutting hard, yeah, yeah, yeah. That shit was yes, bro. Let's wait. What is it doing now? It's creating the readme file. So I would assume if I run, oh yeah, that is sick. So yeah, it now works. Here the error is because, let me just say stop here and say accept. So it's because we haven't given it the API key, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blay out the API key because I'm supposed to put the API key here, but I can't show you my API key. So what should I do? Okay. So what I will do now is, let me put this here and I'll simply cut out the video while I put in my OpenAI key. So let's, oh, can't I pause? Yes. Okay, so we're back. I've put in my OpenAI key. So let me do this. npm run test translation. You see, this works. All right, sick. Is there Shona in these languages? You know what? Let me go into the database. Think it created a database here. What did it call it? Yeah, African translator languages. Is there Shona? There is no Shona, man. There's no Shona. Alright, that's still cool. Let's do this. SN Shona. Let me just put Shona in like East Africa. Still fine, bro. I know it's Southern Africa, but maybe. I don't know. In Africa. Let's do that. Then what else? All right. So now that we've done this, I can test out the APIs. So how do I test the API? All right. So yeah, where's this part? I can do this from curl. I want from file in postman here. Then scan. You see. So get all the languages. Let me see. It's not running right now. So let me run it. No, let me run it. So I can just use nodemon here to run this. So get all the languages, Swahili, Shona, and all of that. So as you can see, this works, right? Let me just try to do this. Then get language by, all right, SN, which is Shona. Yes, it works. Create language. Oh, I could have created a language. I didn't know I could do that. Oh, that's sick. Update language, delete language. Then on translations, translate. I want to translate from English to Shona to SN. Hello, how are you? It should work. Let's see what it says. Let's see the result. Morei no gonere. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me just expand here. Let me expand. So I think I'm wasting time testing out something that already works, but we have all the time in the world. Let me just say hello, right? And see what it says. Moroi. That's from English to Shona. So why? Because this is what they are doing also in Vambo AI. So if you go here, try it now. And I mean like the body of the request. Translate from Shona. Is it English to Shona? And you say hello. Then we can go here, inspect network. So we should see like the type of, you see there's a source language, target language, and the text here. So Moroi, that's the same thing that we got from ChatGPT. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I'm not saying anything. So source, target language, so it's the same thing here. I'm not saying they vibe coded this thing, but it looks like they did. Now the tricky part here is asking, when you're vibe coding with Kesa, let's say you want to, let me just do this actually, git init, because the problem is vibe Vambo. The problem with this kind of thing is okay, there's not a git ignore, so .git ignore, because I want to track changes so that if something wrong happens, let's just do this. I don't know why this thing is not going away here, but anyways, I'll ask this initialize the git ignore. No. So I should fill it up with everything, so that we'll be able to then track whatever I want. So let me just say accept. All right, so what's the time now? 34. Okay, let's go. So we've spent like 20 minutes right now. I hope it won't show my API key here. All right. Okay, what the hell is it doing now? I don't know, but I hope it works. Then just to be sure, let me just check if it's still working. Yeah, it is. So what do we do now? Let me just publish this 5 Vambo to a public repository, I guess. Oh my god! Okay, there's no .env. I thought you would see my open AI key. all right. That's okay. What do we want now? After this, yeah, we can try, because you know what? Let me do this. Front end. All right. So now I'll just ask here. I'll continue the message. I used the first prompt. Help me create one for the front end. So I think I just need Bootstrap and no fancy thing. I need Angular and Bootstrap. What else do I want? I want the interface to look like the Google Translate, I think. one with a drop down of of languages, source and target, implement animations, and yeah, maybe implement animations to make it beautiful and modern. So you could go a long way just doing this, you know. So let me build the front end for requirements. Connect to existing means take backend API. The documentation, yeah, I think I'll just okay. So I'll just tell you, using the root folder, I think the root folder is okay, right? Oh, not the root folder. The root folder code front end and the postman collection dot JSON. Then I just paste the command. You see, and say, I hope it doesn't like do stuff. All right, just pop out and say no. You know, that's the problem, bro. That's the problem. That's the problem. It's already going on the next step without saying this step, if it has finished yet or not. But let's see, man. We can always try out. Let's see, what time do we have? 29 minutes left. That's a lot of time. We can even start again. Oh, but while he's doing his thing, let me find a beat on my phone. Yeah. Yeah. I can't do it. Yeah. I can't do that. Yeah. My RGB, miss my clothes, miss my flavors, miss my flows. Bitch, I'm going on. Yeah. Okay, we need to pop this out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm going on every time I'm placing music, every time I walk in the and it's check it. And then you know at time this one I look like this is oh, it's done. All right, so it's done. So what did he say here? Well, would you like me to make any adjustments to the design? Implement, nigga. Implement. The type, the component, man. Just implement. For now, this. I'll tell you what I need on the design later. I thought it was done. You see?
Pursue.
I don't know. Let's see. Would you like me to make any adjustments to the implementation? Bro, just test. Test.
Do it! Just do it!
I didn't really need it to test, you know. But anyways. Bruh, let me just test it. Because, let's see. Let me just say skip, right? Say accept. You know, I don't like this. Let me do this. ng serve. Yo, what? Oh, it's already in that. Oh. Just stop. Let me just stop it right now. Don't do this. I think it's already working. So let's do local host for 200. Hello, Africa. Oh my god. What is the route to use to test myself? If this is working. So vibe coding, yeah, those are the still have 22 minutes. Let's see. Let me do this. So I knew this this would happen with the front end. Front end takes a lot of time because you have to like hold its hand while it's developing. But yeah, let's see. Let's see.
You sound as though you're feeling the pressure.
I'm not feeling the pressure, no. You cannot put pressure on me. No chance. No chance.
Okay. Let's see. No, no one from English. I don't think the APIs are working actually. From English to... Alright, for now let's just try something else here. Oh, translation failed. Okay. Sure. I think that works. Let's do this. Let me just commit so that if something wrong happens again. 18 minutes. Let's see. What do I want to do now? All right. So make sure to get the languages using the get all languages API. is no auto detect. Just a submit button. Yes, 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 yes. Let's see. It's not right, which means probably lose this expert. Out. Okay. This is this is okay, so yeah. So yes. This is something. Where's it here? So it's here. This is here. And this. And this. It's here, right? Let's see. Oh, what is the new thing? Failed to load languages. Why? Because it's not here. Let's say Vambo. Vambo. Like this. Vambo translator, what is alright. Let's Nodemon. Seek. Alright. Shona to English. Model. Hello. It now works.
Every time.
Okay, so it works. You see? Maitabasa, thank you for that. I don't know what that was, but yeah. Let's do this. Translate works now.